Hi, my name is Brendon DiVincenzo. I'm the Director of Sales and Technology for Eagle Lasers in the United States.
All right, Brendon, so tell us what Eagle Laser does. What kind of products do you guys make?
Eagle is a company focused on high power laser cutting systems. We have a very fast motion platform, and we couple that with a very sophisticated automation portfolio for our customers to maximize productivity.
So you guys had a pretty big presence here at the show. Tell us a little bit about this week. How did the show go for you?
Absolutely, it's a great show. It's always like a family reunion of sorts. Seeing people come back in the industry. Some years I get to go to their shops and see them, but sometimes it's been 12 months since the last FABTECH where I talked to some people last.
Sure. So talk about the importance of FABTECH in terms of Eagle's business plan, why it's important to be here.
I mean, it's an anchor event on the calendar for everybody, including our customers, and that's ultimately why we're here, is to meet with our customers to see what they want from their suppliers. How can we meet them where they are? That's the whole point of the market. And we really drink from a fire hose this week when we sit down and listen to our customers and prospective customers about what's important to them, what they see coming up in the industry, and the challenges that they face.
So tell us a little bit about what you heard this week. What are people looking for? What are their concerns?
Well,
what solutions are they looking for?
I won't have a unique answer here. The common problem people have is people. Yeah. Everybody wants to grow. Everybody has a nice business plan to grow, and the human resource component of that is the number one thing that honestly we kind of compete with as equipment suppliers. If I have the people, the time, the space, the capital, I can put a growth plan together. But if I don't have all four of those things, that's very difficult.
Yeah. So a lot of automation, obviously.
Absolutely.
Right?
Automation number two.
Yeah.
Absolutely. We brought a full automation cell to the show, really as a showcase of our capabilities and where we intend to go in the future. We've got a really, I think, revolutionary new product coming out, designed to reduce the amount of labor associated with laser cutting cut parts. That's historically been a pretty low-end, undesirable part of the shop floor to be on, is at the back end of a laser table, especially as these machines have gotten faster and faster and faster. I think McCormick Place is the only building pulling more power than an AI data center this week with all the 20 and 30 kilowatt lasers here.
For sure.